Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Dynamics app registration with certificates, full guide step by step. To authenticate Microsoft Dynamics app registration with certificates, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the left-hand menu. Find the app registration you want to authenticate. Click on the app name to open its settings. Next, locate the Certificates and Secrets tab. To upload a new certificate, select Upload Certificate. Choose the certificate file from your local store. Click Add to upload the certificate. Once uploaded, note down the thumbprint of the certificate. Now, open your Microsoft Dynamics environment. Navigate to the Settings section. Select Security from the available options. Choose Authentication to set up authentication methods. Select the appropriate authentication method. In the configuration settings, enter the app ID and tenant ID. Use the thumbprint from your uploaded certificate. Proceed to save your settings. Next, open your development environment. Install the required SDK if you haven't already done so. Use the SDK to write the code for the authentication. Make sure to initiate the authentication process in your code. Verify that you're using the correct certificate path in your code. Deploy the application to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, run your application to test the authentication with the uploaded certificate. Monitor for any authentication errors in the logs. If everything is set correctly, you should see successful authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.